Hello everybody, this is my hand and I'm going to show you how we can use modern technologies like Microsoft Kinect to have a bit of fun. And what we are going to do is to draw a picture just using my fingertip. So let's go ahead. So at the moment I'm controlling the cursor position with moving my finger, and let's draw some simple picture to show you just possibilities of this interface. There is no touch screen, it's a standard office table, but there is a Kinect device above the table which is scanning the space and giving me the needed information for to interpret the hand and finger position. So maybe some horsey. When my finger is down, I'm drawing. When I lift it up, I no longer draw, which I find quite intuitive because it's very similar to how we work with a pencil or how we draw images into the sand. That's actually the reason why I am having fun with this, because I think that the using of mouse will sooner or later be obsolete, because if we have an option to work with computer more naturally. So maybe some saddle and eyes, and we can fill it with some paint. So the paint bucket tool and some brown color. Okay, and this was the possibility how to use or how to perform left click. But what if we want some right click? So why not to use our thumb as a switch or flag for the right clicking? So if I click without the thumb extended, I am performing a drag and drop or simple click. But if I stick the thumb out, I I can do the right click. And one more thing, now here you can see the actually the interpreter of the position, and if I want to do double click, I again stick the thumb out of the palm and then lift it a bit. So I will do this way double click, so I can possibly close the window again. And there is a lot of options how to interpret. You can just imagine your own, because we have actually 5 fingers, and each of them you can have its own depth or distance from the Kinect. Uh, there are few. I will rather detach my listener. There are rather few challenges here. First one is that the resolution of Kinect is 640 times 480, which is not great. You can see that when I move my hand, it's actually not going behind it's not stretching across the whole screen. Small help can be that we will speed up the mouse, which means that the coordinates will be multiplicated. So let's say if I speed it 3 times, so now I can reach uh, to the corners of my higher resolution screen. But of course, the price is that the precision of the cursor movement is smaller. There is another challenge, and it is that the Kinect data vary in time even if the scene is the same. So that's why I am not using the exact finger calculated position, but I am using sliding mean. So this can be seen here. This is a smooth movement. It means the position is calculated from 10 last frames. You see that if I change it to 1, there is no slowing down of the finger position. However, if I am still, the finger moves there and back thanks to the inexact data. So if I want to correct this, I can increase the number of of frames from which the position is calculated, and you see how it's actually sort of following my finger. So thank you very much for listening. My name is Pavel Jetensky, and you can get more info on my webpage.